Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's live market breakdown. So today's we're covering last 5 days in the crypto gold market, the macro forces shaping trend, and the key things traders should watch for next. And also we wanna talk about some fundamental analysis like crypto market update, BTC, Ethereum, XRP, altcoins, gold market update, record highs and correction phase or no. So macro drivers like inflation rate, safe haven asset, also trade analysis, key levels, and audience question and answer. So let's kick up the current method in this market. So, and grab your chart and question will be live in the next 2 3 hours. So if you have any question, you can put your comment in the chat box. So first of all, we wanna start about the crypto market. So how crypto markets impacted and reacted last 5 days, and what's gonna happen in this market about regulatory and the hot topics we have received from this market institutional side, and what some analysts and economists what they have discussed about the next crypto market updates. So we want to discuss about things. So first I want to move to the BTC market. So what's gonna happen? So this is BTC weekly time frame. So this one is the weekly time frame chart. So let's see. So last week it was here very low. We find very low selling pressure, so seller was not interested to sell at that time. So based on candle, we got an idea from this side because the last week low was 89,000. And it has not breaken because of this previous week this bullish engulfing candle. So bullish engulfing candle once happened, so we're gonna buy here 89,000. We can put our stop loss here and our take profit based on this is the trend. So and next day also we get another confirmation next week. So if we don't want to enter in the same day, so after closing this week we can get this buying opportunity, and definitely our TP will be hit. You can see it was very good buying zone. uh, So Bitcoin has both upside and pullback after holding above the key support level, and the key resistance level nearby 89. So already I'm discussing, and next resistor is 98,000 already hit. So almost can you imagine this week target here to here, say 8,000 pips, almost 8,000 pips. So it's a big movement for intraday trading or swing trade opportunity. Who are the swing traders? So it was very nice opportunity. So the price actually briefly touched 98,000. So this zone inflation concern is like that the NFP was negative and CPI also was negative. So it was deep taken in regulatory headlines. So it was a very nice movement for this week for BTC market and overall crypto market, we can say. Why the matter it happened? So because the already I am discussing from last week, already 1 month, not even that 1 month. So once we get these confirmations, it was the breakout, the previous high, and then weekly candle close above the resistance, and it is the engulfing candlestick almost. So it's a hammer. Yes, it is a hammer. So then bullish hammer, so we can get this buying opportunity easily. And pullback regulatory fears, it's okay because it was the resistance, and as you can see on the weekly time frame, it's the fair value gap. So who are the fair value? So SMC traders, so they are thinking, so they will sell here and they can put stop loss above this previous weekly candle. uh, so one thing, and this have also the short term weakness. This is also short term weakness. So after 2 days the market will, this candle also will be closed. So if this candle, if the candle close above here, above here, let me tell you, let me show. Okay, so if the candle close above 93,500 or 800, 93,500, so we can get another buying opportunity based on this time frame. So we can get another buying opportunity, and maybe it will hit 1,600, 106K, 106. So this is the area we can get this opportunity. Yes, hello. Yeah. Last 1 year, I cannot do it. I have tried so many times to make my dad buy some ticket already. When I called the customer came to me, and after 1 year, you are starting from how asking kindly unblock my card and how can I purchase this thing to money. Annually, why I will pay annually? Even if I do participate, I cannot do that. When get because no, no, I don't have that much number because I tried too much time. If you are five, if you are five, you can solve, can solve. Otherwise, I don't know. Where I can like, that already I have tried already. This one for me for the payment, don't find why I am not. Okay, please, okay. Hello. Sorry, I paused 2 minutes. I had one emergency call on phone. So no worries. So today, not today, this week. So this week we should focus the zone of BTC. This is the zone of 93,800 zone, and focus on today's, this week candle is closing above the 93,000. So then we can get this huge buying opportunity because it has make a new higher high. After that, retesting in the daily time frame. As you can see, I am transferring in the daily time frame. So now it's very clear, and this is the bullish falling waves. This is the pattern. If you want to see, I want to see you this bullish one. This is the falling waves. You can see here this one. This one is the bullish falling waves pattern. So in daily time frame, this is the reversal pattern. It is called the reversal pattern of daily time frame on BTC, Bitcoin. So this is the bullish falling wedge. So already break out the falling wedge, and based on the So, and based on pattern, so it should go 160k. So now it went up and make a new higher high and retesting that zone. So once if we get this buying opportunity above 94,000, and this week candle should close above the 93k 800. So then we're gonna buy again, and it's a long-term buy. It will like maybe next week it can hit our take profit 160k. So this is not actually financial advice. This is not financial advice. Already I have written here. This is only for educational purpose. If you wanna trade, you should trade on your own risks and how much you want to bear your risks. So based on your risk management, you can trade. It's up to you. So now let's see. So already I have explained each and everything. So this last week what happened, this week what already happened. Now retesting area. So as you can see, who bought here. So already they closed one time profit and it's came for retesting area. So this is the also good buying opportunity. As you can see, I mark in the chart, right? So it will go up this area and it will go down again for retesting, or you can say pullback, whatever you can say. But so now we have to focus on today, this weekly candle to close above this area. So then we're gonna get then another buying opportunity. So this is all about the BTC update, but BTC, it is forming in H4 time frame. It is forming a reversal pattern also, so it's a little bit hard. So if it's break this area 93,000, so it will go down. So that's why for short-term trading, don't do short-term trading right now. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the chart 1 hour time frame. It is making a reversal pattern. So if the pattern break out here 95,000, this 95,000, so it will go almost 92k. So almost 92k it will drop. So this is the reason. So a little bit hard to open the buy position, so we have to wait until this week. I mean 2 days remaining this week for crypto market, so we have to wait for 2 days. Otherwise, you see, as you can see here, this is the 95,000. If break this one and 1 hour candle close below this level, so it will break out and retesting, so it can fall again. So maybe fall then, because there is have so many, this is a buyer is involving here. This is the order block area and so many buying, institutional buying also is available here. So we can get buying opportunity, and maybe this H4 candle, it will close pushing up. It will push up very faster than this candle will close above 94,000. So it can happen. So like how it can drop. So example, if they execute this reversal pattern, so it will go down, then again it will retest, then it will drop this level, and then H4 candle will close above the area. So take the all liquidity and the candle will close here. So then it will go up again, and the weekly candle can close above this resistance, above the support. Then we can get buying opportunity for next week and long-term buy until 106k. So this all about the Bitcoin for today, this week, and next week hopefully. So Monday, what is happening Monday we can discuss again. So Ethereum and altcoin, what happened? So all are like consolidating, and because the every crypto market they are following the Bitcoin, so almost their pattern also is almost same. There is no huge big difference of that area. So technical check, we have to see, we have to watch for two things like BTC volatility. Volatility can be like through the range compression, correct? So and the breakout leading to liquidation event when sentiment flip hard in either direction. Okay, what I'm trying to say, this is the same thing. So maybe it will flip the liquidity and it will go down, then again it will go up. But they will trap to the retail trader. So, oh my God, this breakdown, this support. So maybe it will drop more. So they market maker, they will try to fall in trap in the retail trader. So that is why we need more confirmation to open the trade, because crypto market capital shifted, reflecting mixed risk appetite. So we have to make a combination. So we have to follow the risk management, because if you do trade in BTC is without stop loss, so it's gonna be very bad impact in your account. So be careful about these things. Always put your stop loss and how much you wanna take risks from your equity. So you should focus on that. So now let's talk about Ethereum and some altcoin as well. So what's gonna happen and what opportunity we can get? You see, this is the Ethereum, same thing. Same I showed here. So it was maybe 7th January. I draw this, or earlier, more earlier. So you see here, see this one. Guys, please see. So from here, market will go up here, and same area is retested, then again went down this area. So now we can get buying opportunity, and it is on the way. So 90,400 already hit, and now this, it was staying above this support, above the support. So now a market should go down. So if the breakout is there, 1 hour time frame, this is 1 hour. So we'll do the multiple time frame analysis. So first it is showing, and RTP 3700, again same like that, BTC, because Ethereum also follows the BTC. So let's start with the weekly time frame. So this is the what I am talking. It's a very simple thing. It's not a complicated things what I am discussing. It's just a basic of market structure I am talking about. But for more understanding the depth level, you should know the learn the advanced level. So what's I'm discussing, this is only for basic. There is no topics what I am adding the any advanced level like topics is there, just basic information. Okay, so if you want to learn, so join our community. So L Bank Wealth community, and you can send message. So if you live in Dubai, you can visit our office in Dubai. We have course, intermediate course, advanced course, and basic course. Crypto analysis, yeah. So we can give like 20 session. We are providing 20 session and 1 month mentorship as well. So not only for crypto, where this course designed with overall financial markets. See, you're gonna trade the gold, stocks market all over the world, or your own country, Dubai stocks market, uh, gold, crypto market, coins, spot, future, whatever you want. So same course, it will apply to your overall market. You can apply to your overall market. So what I am discussing, this is a very simple basic thing. I'm not gonna talking about because I don't know audience are too much experienced, or they are beginner. I don't know. That's why I try to talk about only basic ideas. But how I am analyzing, yesterday one person asked, sir, how you are understanding the things like market will go down from here, go down, or go up, it will push up for here. How you are finding, how you are thinking. So it's not about my dream, it's not about my imagination. So it's all about the market structure. What's everyone knows who are the trader, everyone knows the market structure, right? So based on market structure, based on technical analysis, I'm trying to find in a different way. But one thing you can say, like every people like beginner, even I saw 10 years experience, they also try to find in the like retail trading opportunity. So retail trader chart pattern, market structure, support resistance, demand supply. But I try to find the zone in a institutional zone. Okay, this is maybe institutional trap is there, maybe. And everyone not confirm, like no one can say is 100% correct. So maybe, so this is the institutional trap, or it can fall like that. I will tell you in yesterday what happened in the gold. So I told uh, until this is the institutional trap, market will go up and they will drop the market. After that they will push up. So it happened same thing. So based on pattern, institutional pattern, we have to understand. So this is overall price action. So price action is the like there is a lots of strategy. If you investor, you have to understand that dot theory as well. So because dot theory dot theory is a different structure, because it will take time for long term. One cycle, it takes 6 month, 3 month, 1 month, 1 year, second cycle, third cycle. So there is a phase also. So this is the different thing. For investor, they can learn dot theory, but for market structure, it's for the retail trader, it will help us how we can protect our capital based on candle confirmation. We have to become a master of few candles. So candle will give us like ideas. Okay, there is a seller involved, or who is controlling the market right now, in buyer or seller, right? So we have to understand the things. So so do you have any question? Please put your comment in the chat box. If you have question, okay, which instrument you want to see, like you have some investment in Ethereum, XRP, or any coins, Solana or gold. So if you keep your comments, so I will try to give an explanation with technical analysis. So now Ethereum also same. So now we have to wait to uh, as you can see, this is the resistance level of Ethereum. So today's this candle should close also, this week candle should close above this price. So this price is 92,000, sorry, uh, 3,200, 3,200, yes, 3,280 or 70. This weekly candle should close above this price. So then we can get the good buy opportunity and next week. So we should wait until close the candle today. But if you are a day trader, so it's a different thing. What I am talking, this is the swing trade, because weekly time frame. So now you can see here. See, this is the daily 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, what is happening? So it is making a pattern, correct? So this is the pattern. So I want to show you what is the pattern, how it's work. So let's open this pattern. So yes, this is the, you can see this is falling wedge or ascending triangle, right, or raising wedge. So it depends. So like if it's break here, consolidating, then break down the support, so it will be reversal pattern. Then again, if pennant pattern, so it should break out 3,000. Always talking about Bitcoin, so that's why Bitcoin price is coming again and again. And once this resistance, this is the resistance of 1 hour time frame, once breakout, so it will show the continuation pattern. So it will go up, continue. So this is all about the price action. So that's why, so Ethereum momentum is still in support level. So with a huge strong support, but short-term pullback are common in this level. So maybe probability it will go up, or if BTC follows BTC, that means it will drop, or either it will go up based on pattern. So we need to wait to understand. We need to wait to get more confirmation, breakout confirmation. If we use any indicator tools, like we're gonna take the indicator help from our indicator site. So like RSI, if you follow RSI, MACD or whatever, so based on your strategy, you can apply. You should wait until breakout. Guys, put your comment. Otherwise, how can I explain? Just I'm talking about like a parrot. You should ask question, right? So it will be helpful for each other, either from your side, either from my side. Otherwise, how I can able to understand that you are watching or no, because so many people are joining. Every day, how many views? Thousand of views. So how can I understand that you are watching properly, you are understanding properly or no? Someone asked one question. No, no one. This is the AI generated question. AI generated question. AI generated question. AI generated question. Every day 1000 views. So 1000 people are joining here. So please, that's why I'm telling, please put your comment. You are beginner or you have experience, you are intermediate experience or you have advanced level experience. So please, do you have any question about Bitcoin, any level, Ethereum structure, altcoin or sentiments? So please put your comment. And one thing I can give you, we have a good offer for like registering. If you registered an open account in our L Bank, so you wanna get $200 voucher, $200 voucher, and you can use this voucher for future trading. So this is maybe some people are newly joined. So this is L Bank platform. So how you can open account and how to register. So if you have any question, please put your comment, and or you can join our Telegram community. We have Telegram community. You can find the group name who are watching the live streaming on YouTube. So you can see on the screen there is have one QR code, L Bank Wealth Community, and who are watching in the TikTok. So you're gonna find this QR code name and in bio. So how you can connect? So charts in Telegram like L Bank Wealth Community, and you can join. And there is have admin one to admin. You can ask to admin. So admin can send you the link how you can register and how you can get the $200 voucher. And this voucher you can use for your future trading. So $200 is not a small amount, right? So that's why if you are interested, you can send message directly in the TikTok also. Better to put your comment, then we can send you message directly. So actually, now we want to talk about some meme coin, altcoin, and future new coins also enlisted today. Today, we want to see how many coins listed today. So this is the top gainer 109%, and Gust down 500 uh, percent, 500 plus almost. So this is the Ralph 300%, and these all are the new coins. So this is 120%. OWL, this is the 90%. And Big Don, right? So these all are the new coins. And top gainers or top losers. So this is the gas down. This is the top gainer for today, last 24 hours. And let's see about any future coins, because there is have lots of coins, so we can try to find few coins. So which one we can trade today? I mean day trading. If you do day trading, you are doing scalping. So Star also is like 40%, XRP minus 2%, LTC dot ABAX Pepe. So all maximum red because of they're following this. And also we have this Shiba perpetual, BNB perpetual. We have stock also, stock future. You can trade this AMD stock future, Apple, Tesla also is available here. Then ZKP, the coin. Then another coin is also ELA preparation, XAUT, USDE. So coin is very much dangerous, very risky. So we have to uh, use proper risk management, and we have to check their fundamental of the company stocks, or this coin. So how their coin is more fundamentally stronger than another coin, so then we can get this buying opportunity or investing. Otherwise, suddenly sometimes it can drop in a like a crash. So as you can see here, this one last week, this is daily time frame. So last week was is a very huge pump. Then again in drop, and it is came to the entry level. So that's why we have to be careful about this one. See here. Kindly ask your question, guys. Please put your comment. Do you have question? Which pair? My question is which pair you are doing trade? This is my question. Hello everyone, please put your comment. Put your comment. I'm waiting for your question. So do you have any question? Put your comment in the chat box. Oh, crypto trading tips and offer asks how to get $200 voucher. Yes, you can get $200 voucher. So better to join our community. We can help you how you can get this voucher. We can send account open registration link to open account and will help you to get this voucher. So now we want to talk about this week economic calendar and few news we want to discuss about some. So this is all about this week news of US dollar and not US dollar. Most everything is there, but I have filter it. Which one is the high impact only? So last Monday it was Japan coming as days, and last Monday was 10-year note auction. It was then Tuesday was CPI, consumer price index, and how impacted in this market. So it was CPI was neutral. So I mean post forecast versus actual is neutral. So then CPI year to year also neutral, 2.7, 2.7. So there is no more inflation. So all are same, and core CPI was negative, so it was lower than expected. So this one. And new home sales was positive, so sales, maybe new home sales has increased. Third year bond also 8 point, so 4.8, so little bit increase, but it's showing the almost neutral because it's showing the back color. And PPI also it was neutral, 0.1% only. So then retail sales and core retail sales 0. It was positive, then one is also positive. So and secondly PPI month to month was neutral, 0.2, 0.2, so same as it is existing home sales. Crude oil as well, crude oil was negative, so crude oil inventory report was negative, so it was lower than forecast. So forecast was high, but it is lower than forecast. So on Thursday to yesterday was Philadelphia Federal Manufacturing Index. So it was positive for dollar, and initial jobless claim also it was positive. But today Friday there is no US dollar high impact news. Only German CPI month to month. Maybe it's finished, but there is neutral. There is no changes. So this is all about the fundamental of this week. So this is all about the this week fundamental analysis. So now we can check the hot topics of some latest market update stocks about like every market. We can see the TSMC earnings boost AI trade. So future is higher TSMC, and US stock future push higher because TSMC bank earnings and economic data boost it is showing. And why TSMC capex upgrade is bigger win for ASM than peers. And also gold is below record high after strong US job data set for weekly rise. And let's see the cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin price today it's dropped. It is 95K also, and Litecoin falls 10% in bearish trade. So Litecoin, who are investor Litecoin or trading, so you can check this price. Litecoins 10x acquire a million 219 billion, not million, billions bond token. Bitcoin is still not out of wood despite, so it's okay. So all about this cryptocurrency and commodities. How about the oil prices is higher? It was a little bit higher. And if 15% rally in silver prices now comes in a day, not months, oil prices on track for weekly gain. This is commodities, and this is stocks about. And how about the economic indicators? Let's see. Iran protest. So it is a hot topics of nowadays. Iran protest a bit after deadly crackdown, and resident and right goes groups say. Finland central bank said tougher climate target for investment, and German inflation lost to 2.0% in December. Yeah, and crypto already we have seen some today's top news. So why I am showing this news basically, maybe you can say why these things we have to check, these things we have to check, what is the reason behind that? Is there any correlation with trading? Is there anything? Of course, Corey, we have to check the fundamental analysis. We have to check the news because nowadays technology is so much fast, right? So we can get idea within second what's gonna happening in the world. So this is we have to update it each and every time because fundamentals sometimes lose the trade. Suddenly, maybe some things is happening. We don't know our trade is going against us. So that's why fundamentally we should check see what's going to happen in next because fundamental is the weather forecast of the economy. So economy means economy with USA economy with other countries. So it's correlated with dollar and another currency. See, if we do trade in correlated with dollar, so that means it can impact on that pair dollar, or if we have another opportunity from this like currencies, so we are doing trade in different currencies, so we have to focus on that as well. And some technical analysis, technical summary, candlestick chart pattern, Fibonacci, investing challenge as well, insider trading for stocks market basically. Hello everyone, good afternoon again. I don't know, maybe new people are joining, so that's why I'm welcoming to everyone. So do you have any question? Feel free to ask question. Otherwise, how can I understand that you are doing trade or you are beginner, or do you have any question about market, about your any choosing pairs like you like to do trade. So these the things. Hello. Hello, guys. Do you have question? Please put your question in the chat box. So now we're gonna talk about this gold market right now. So let's discuss. So gold has been headline story recently. It has all-time high and it's above 4,600. So early this week, before a mild correction was there, but on a strong US job data and firmer dollar also, but geopolitical things, so it's pumping. But recent 5 days moves is very unpredictable. So record high or safe haven asset is a demand of surge and a slight dip followed on geopolitical risk perception. So that's why it's a little bit not little bit. It's because as a safe haven asset, so every investor and market maker, institutional, they feel to buy more gold in that time. And also key drivers right now, because so many countries, their central bank purchasing gold and they are investing on the gold as well, so it's strongly globally, not in one country. And also us rate cut expectation is the awareness for next movement, because dollar strength or weak is still major driver. So that's why uh, there is no prediction gold is gonna move and how much it can go up. So now we can do analysis. One thing, this is the 5 minutes time frame, different analysis we have here. But again, this week we want to check this week. So I want to remove all the drawing without one thing. This one I want to keep, remove drawing. Yeah. So now this is the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, as you can see here, so this is not a financial advice. This is the educational purpose only. So if you trade your own risks. Let's see. So this is the weekly time frame. So uh, last week it went down. Then again next week went up. So now what's gonna happen? So this clause above this, as we can say, this is the resistance. So this break the resistance, this area. Okay. So now 4,500, we can say this is the 4,500 to 4,530. So now this zone is the most important zone, because there is a two weekly support area. So this week what's gonna happen? So we have to understand. And this week high and all time this gold high 46,043. So now we should move to the daily time frame. So daily time frame is still it's consolidating and not too much movement. The last one day only Monday it was a huge big movement, because that day it was geopolitical tension of Venezuela, because Venezuela president kidnapped by USA, so that the market was so crazy. And also Iran geopolitical uncertainty also it's happening. So lots of things this it went up Monday. So after breakout this support resistance, so now it's forming, it has formed another new support of daily time frame. It is 4,500, sorry, 4,500, yeah, 4,500. As you can see, this is the zone. So this zone now it's consolidating last 4 days after breakout. So always today is the fifth day. So today Friday. So we don't know what will be happen. It will go up or it will go down. We don't have idea. So let's break down these things, how we can analyze this market. Like, so this is the consolidation zone right now, this area. So this area is consolidating here, and as you see, it's a very clear zone right now. This is the very clear zone. So until break down this area, it never go down. But if break means what? What do you mean the break? Breaking means this candle should close below the support or above the resistance. This is called breakout, not fake breakout. I'm not talking about any fake breakout. Fake breakout means it's going down. Then you see here. So this 4,508. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times it rejected from this area. So now this is the, it has make a new support area. So this support should close below this area. So now if we see in the line chart, so what's gonna we can see. So okay, this one is the, see, this is the trend. So trend, one trend is here, correct? And if I try to find in a different way, so different way means here to here. Okay, so this one. So this also resistance. This one also is resistant. This resistance. This is the A's for resistance. Okay. So now let's move to the candle chart. So okay, this is our candle chart. So this is candle chart. So you see, like now the question is, this H4 candle or 1 hour candle should close above this, already close. 1 hour candle already close above the support. So, but problem is that, so maybe it will come, or it will come here, then it will go up, because as you can see here, morning also it went up, then rejected, then again went down and moving here and there, here and there. So this is the area. So now how we can trade right now? So it's little bit risky, but let's try to find the zone first. Okay, this one we can find. This is the 1 hour time frame. But issue is that another issue here. So means like this, it has not breakout. It has not make a new high, because this 21 is the another critical zone. This 21 is another critical zone. So it means it should go up, then again it will reject it, then it can go up. So this is the scenario actually, basically. So little bit critical. So based on our pattern and candle confirmation, not too much confirmation, only with candle confirmation and pattern breakout and resistance breakout. So let's try to find, but here you can see, we consider here, if we consider this area, we consider this area, so we have to keep stop loss here. So 7 6. So example we buy here 10, put stop loss 5, 50 pips. Yes, 50 pips. And take profit. Take profit. Where can we take profit? It's too much critical basically. So that's why I'm telling again and again. It's too much critical. From here to here. If we consider this area, so it should go 50. But at least the previous high, if the previous high touch, so this previous high, so now 50 our stop loss, if we keep stop loss this way, but really it's a little bit difficult because you see here, so this candle also it closed above here, but yesterday it was good, so it above, and then from here it went up this area. At least this resistance 22, it's a strong resistance area as well, this area. So this one should also break out. So very critical zone we are facing right now. So like this way, you can see here like this. So two things again. So first TP will be here 100 pips. So after checking the candle, if this candle close above like this, next candle, so then we can move the stop loss this area 16 17, then we can keep holding. So we have to wait for that opportunity. So like let's try to, so now example here, and this candle close like above 20, so then maybe probability to go up. So based on candle confirmation, so we can understand, okay, maybe price it will go up here. This is the 1 hour time frame. But there is another scenario of 4 hour time frame. So, but better suggestion, so until breakout, until close the candle 90 for today, so 90, so we can keep on buying. This is the good decision, because in H4 time frame, if we move to the 4 hour time frame, so as you can see 4 hour time frame, let me discuss about some pattern. Okay, see here. So if I consider from here, okay, so I should remove this one and to remove this. Okay, now this is the point. This point remove this point, or if I consider like this, so see, so same here, this 22, so this is the trend line resistance. This is the trend line resistance. So once trend line this resistance break down, you see this candle, huge candle. So until breakout, so 1 2 3 4 hour candle. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 candle rejected from that area. So that is the reason I'm selling. And this one is making a reversal pattern, but when? So pattern, how pattern work? Basically pattern work, if I consider this is the head and shoulder pattern, so this candle should go down like this, so then it will go down like this. So H4 candle should close below the this support, then we can consider, so okay, this is the reversal pattern, reversal head and shoulder, or like a round top pattern, like that. Round top, it's not round top pattern basically, so it can be like this. This is round top pattern, we can say. Okay, and or head and shoulder pattern, if I transfer line charts, it looks like, but not 100%. So that's why, so 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame candle should close above 4621. So So now we can move to the 2 hour time frame. See, so this is 2 hour time frame. So 2 hour time frame also uh, is showing. So it's a line chart. If I consider this is the breakout already based on, yeah. So this candle, 1 hour candle breakout, but 2 hour still is remaining time, and next there is resistance. So this resistance we have to consider. So better we can keep on trading in 1 hour based on 1 hour candle confirmation. So if this candle close above here, then we can get another buying opportunity. Otherwise, we can get selling opportunity in the lower time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame. You see, 15 minutes time frame, what happened? It went up, so now retesting. So 15 minutes is retesting zone. Even 30 minutes also, yeah. So 30 minutes also is retesting zone. So already went up and retesting. So it depends. So we can get this selling opportunity if the 30 minutes, 15-minute candle rejected from that area like that. So we can get sell opportunity. Otherwise, no. So if I move again 1 hour time frame, so if it break, so this is our next psychological level, resistance level. This is the 4660. We can get sell opportunity from there because based on this trend. So now maybe it is making a flag pattern or what, we don't know. It is continuation pattern. We have no idea. So now if it's go there from here to here, so we can get and sell opportunity from there until, because there is a liquidity. So we take the liquidity and it can drop like this and then it can drop again. Or it will come here. So this is the resistance breakout. If we stay here, so the again probability again it will go up 4680 or like that 4700. So it should break out above 40, sorry, 4621. After that, the this is called the trend violation, trend exhaustion. So until, so once breakout for 4660, so then again it will come to the retesting area 4640. So then if staying the price above 4060, sorry, 4640, so that's it's gonna be next probability 4700 or either. So it depends on the candle confirmation. It depends on so many things. We have to check, we have to wait for that opportunity. Oh, no one. Hello guys, do you have question? Please put your comment, or only you guys are watching. Okay, no problem. To goose, me jump, mom. Shitty. Let's do trading here, live trading. Guys, live trading. We want to do live trading. So let's see. Live trading XAUSD. Okay, XAUSD. Risky trade. Let's see small risks, small leverage, because this is the risky trade, risky buy. With proper risk management, we are taking very low position because of risky. So let's see how much we can make today. So you see $10, $20, 10, 10, 10, 13, 13, 16, $17, $23, $23, $20, 21, because I took very small lot, a small leverage I have used. So it's going down. So see 1 minute how we can make profit. $20, $30. See $30 now, $25. As you can see, 25. Again going down. So our take profit will be 20 here. So 4615. So okay, modify the position. Either hit stop loss or either TP. But probability, winning probability 75%, not 90%. 75%. So okay, now take profit 4615 and 4599. 1:2. Risk and reward 1:2. So risk and reward 1:2. $70 loss or $140 profit, because there is winning chance 75%. So that's why. If winning chance confirmation is more than 80%, 90% confidence, then we can increase the lot, we can increase the leverage. So that's why. Let's see. Now profit 25, 27, 20. Market is 30. So much spike market. Okay, leave it. Either hit stop loss or either profit, no problem. No problem, no problem. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Volume. So actually, so many people they are using indicator, lots of indicator. So we can discuss some indicator about some indicator as well based on. So there is a lots of indicator RSI, Bollinger Band, MACD, EMA, SMA. Yes. So so as you can see, I told right. So either it will hit stop loss or it will go up. So near to stop loss. Guys. Hello everyone, how are you again? So actually it's critical zone, like as I mentioned, 94, it will be in 30 minutes time frame. Let me show you 30 minutes time frame. This 94 or 5 and above here is 12. So these two zones are critical. However, forget about this 12, this one and this one, like this. So okay, okay, this and this. So now scenarios, two scenario, candle breakout, proper breakout, below breakout. So which pattern we can say descending triangle. So this is the descending triangle. No, sorry, symmetrical triangle, this one, symmetrical triangle. So now it has formed a symmetrical triangle. So I above 10, 12 breakout and below it's gonna be 94, then sell, then buy, buy. Symmetrical triangle, this one. You can put your stop loss, sorry, screenshot, you can take it. Then we can get buying opportunity or selling opportunity. So today also is Friday, it's little bit critical, so we have to wait with patience. So thank you for joining everyone. Stay disciplined, trade with risk management, and make sure to follow daily structurally, not emotionally. And if you found any value in this live trading session, so you can share, follow us, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and happy trading.